Now, in this video, we'll be talking about tangents and normals to a curve. Now, the equation of a tangent to a curve f of x, y is equal to f of x at point x1, y1 is given by this equation, where m is the gradient. And I believe we have discussed on gradient of a curve, that's in video 11 in this series. As the gradient of the curve is dy dx, and the normal of the point is given by y minus y1 of this. Now, this is all gotten from the equation of a line. Okay, and when we understand that the normal is perpendicular, okay, is at right angles to the tangent, so therefore the gradient, the product of their gradient is equal to -1. Okay, now so we have a question. It says determine the equations of the tangent and normal to the curve of y is equals to x squared minus x minus 2 at point 1, -2. So I've taken our time. This is a sketch of the curve, just a sketch of the curve. Now let's solve. We understand, let's recall that the equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. And the equation of the normal is y minus y1 is equals to -1 over m into x minus x1. And we are given the point 1, -2. x1 is equals to 1 and y1 is equals to -2. And the equation, that's y is equals to f of x is given as x squared minus x minus 2. So in this case, the first thing to do is to evaluate the gradient, that is m, and m is given by dy dx. And dy dx of y is 2x minus 1. At given point of 1, 2, therefore we are saying that the y dx at x is equals to 1. Therefore, where we are see x, we substitute 1. That's 2 minus 1, and that is 1. So in essence, m is equal to 1. Now, since we know that m is equals to 1 and x1 is equals to 1, y1 is equals to -2, we can solve the equation of tangent. And we say it is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So in this case, our y1 is -2, our m is 1, our x1 is 1. So this gives us y plus 2 is equals to x minus 1. Therefore, y is equals to x minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So this is the equation of the tangent. Now let's go ahead and evaluate the equation of the normal using this. So the normal equation, or equation of normal, we have it to be y minus y1 is equals to -1 over m, because they are perpendicular to each other, and x minus x1. So our y1 is -2, -1 over 1, x minus 1. And this give us y plus 2 is equal to -1 or minus into x minus 1. So when we open up, we have minus x plus 1 and y will be minus x minus 1. So this will give us the equation of the normal. Now, if you go back to our graph that was given to us, and we know that this is the point that we are considering, 1 comma minus 2. The tangent is going to look similar in this way. This is the tangent, y is equals to x minus 3, and the normal will be perpendicular to it in this format. And the equation of the normal is y is equals to minus x minus 1. So we have the tangent and we have the normal. Now in our next video, we'll be taking one more example on evaluating the equations of tangents and normal.